Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our 21st application or requirement analysis video for another college. We will be doing our global production engineering in TU Berlin, and this application is also open and the application deadline is finishing in 31st March. That's the reason I thought I will make requirement analysis or 3 videos complete in this week. So you guys will also have like around 2 weeks time to get the application done. And then you can also apply and get the admission if you want to pursue this particular course in this particular college. And as I told, this will be our 21st application or requirement analysis video. In this, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about how to apply for any colleges, what are the requirement analysis, and what are the colleges are there in Germany. When we have all list of colleges that are there in Germany that we find in DAL, then we also do at first the requirement analysis. In the requirement analysis, we usually go through the overview, cost details, requirements and registration, course details, everything. In the requirements and registration, we get to know what are the documents that you need to fulfill, what are the application criteria that you need to fulfill, and what are the information that you need to know when you are applying. Then we also get to know the deadline and the application procedure. After that, we will also make a dedicated application video on where to apply, by which usually it will be in uni assist or in the college application when the application deadline is met. So this the two types of videos that we usually do in our channel. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, today we will be doing our global production engineering GPE in Technical University of Berlin, and it would be 21st our requirement analysis. When we do this, we usually go through overview, course detail, cost and funding. So in the overview, you can just see the degree is Master of Science, Global Production Engineering. Course detail is Berlin, teaching language is English, and languages is all courses are taught in English. The German and engineering courses offered request throughout the 3-semester study. Based on individual level, the technical language skill are taught. So if you are a person who is having no German skill, then you can start from A1. Then you can until 4th semester you can also finish A2, or if you are already done A1 in India, then you can finish until B1. Then full-time, part-time, it is full-time possible, no part-time available, and program duration is 4 semester and only in winter semester. There is no summer semester course. So the program starts in introduction week, beginning of October. Lectures will be typically start in the 2nd or 3rd week of October. So this is the plan. Then the study program includes 3 semester in-person modules. So they will be having 3% in-person module depending upon on the subjects, modules, and spirit of lectures. Split of lectures, exercise and seminar, project, lab exercise will be always there in all colleges. Then some of the courses includes online lecture, especially when students are not able to join the initial sessions due to visa things. Say example, the October the application is starting. Yes, you already got the admission, but the visa procedure took long that you landed in Germany in December, like that. So you will miss 2 semester of a month of lectures. Then the online lectures will be always available. You can get on or check it out. Application deadline, as I told you, the application deadline for the following winter semester is 31st March. If you miss the deadline, then you can also contact them because it's kind of a paid course. That's the reason if you miss the deadline also when you want to do, if your profile is good, then you can also ask them. Then I guess they will also can give you the admission. Please note that we only accept online application to ensure the efficiency of application procedure. For more information, you can check in the application page. But this application page and everything, registration and applying, I will show you anyway in application procedure video. Today it will be only for that website requirement analysis. Then the main thing is tuition fees. So this has a tuition fees of 3,875 euros. That means this will be your 6th semester or 1 semester fees. Upon this, if you also have to pay your semester contribution. So totally 3,875 plus something. This for 4 semester includes will be 15,500 euros for your entire student program. One installment is 6,200 and the 3 installment of 3,100 you have to pay. So at first semester you will pay, or first sem when you are joining, you will pay 6,200 euros, and in each 3 semester you will pay 3,100 to cover your 15,500 euros semester fees or the complete college fees. Combined degree program is not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. Description of content of this particular global production engineering you can check, but we usually like to read in course details because there you will have the PDF download where they would have explained in the complete module handbook. So here this is the module handbook, so module description, everything. So here you can just see the complete modules that are teaching and everything, but this we will just go through once we are doing our requirement analysis in the application in the college portal itself, but now I just wanted to say what are the courses that are there in each 120 ECTS. In the GPE curriculum designed for a highly flexible way in order to meet the individual requirements of students, student must earn 120 ECTS or credit points to get your 4th semester degree. Production, engineering, management, intercultural communication and special profile. So these are the GPE degree program divided into 5 module groups. So these are the 5 module groups. Each module group is assigned so-called modules. The module usually consists of one of the 4 courses. So curriculum consists of reviewed by meet the needs and the industry and research. During the first semester, this will be the 30 credit points per semester that you will be doing. So during the first semester, student must complete modules worth of 90 credit points or 30 credit points. During the first 3 semesters, student have to finish the completing the worth of 90 credit points, so 30 credit points per semester. Student can choose module according to qualification things and everything, because at first each module corresponds to certain number of credit points, and they will also have your compulsory module, elective module, and also laboratory or another physical or laboratory courses. So in the 4th semester, an internship of at least 9 months should be completed, 12 credit points. Towards the end of a program, the master thesis can be completed for 18 credit points. So they have divided the thesis 30 credit points into internship and thesis. So your internship will be 12 credit points and the master thesis will be 18 credit points, and they are saying you have to do an internship of 9 weeks. Usually getting a 9 weeks internship is little difficult, so getting a 6 months internship is ideal, because everybody give the practicum for 6 months. So that's the reason you can just do a 6 months internship, then it will be good, then you will get your 12 credit points and you will also get a 6 months experience. Then towards the end of the degree, you can also do your master thesis in the same company on the master thesis, so then you will get a 1 year complete experience. By combining the module appropriately, the degree can be led into following specialization. So these are the 4 specialization: global manufacturing, network planning, production and operation management, sustainable manufacturing, information and communication technology in manufacturing. These are the 4 majors. A diploma supplement will be issued at the end of the degree after you finish and defend your master thesis. And certified special modules are awarded, and international elements are always there, and they have just told about what are the courses that in TU Berlin and what about GPE course. Cost and fundings, we already talked about. The semester fees is 3,875. The total college fees is 15,500, where you have to pay that in four installment, and upon this you have to also do the semester contribution of 350 euros. With this 350 euros as of now, you will get the complete Deutschland ticket, but if the Deutschland ticket for some reason closed, then you will get a public transport in the Berlin, so that you can travel entirely in Berlin. Then cost of living in Berlin is estimated up to 1,200. So it's up to you people how much you are living in. If you are living under 2,200, then it's well and good. If you're living above 1,200, then you have to make sure you plan your expenses accordingly. Then you have to find your part-time either in technical field or non-technical field. But at the first, you don't need to worry about this, because at the first year you will be anyway blocking the blocked amount, and that blocked amount money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month, so you don't need to worry. But once your block token first year is done, then for the second year usually you have to either block again or get a part-time job, so that you can prove your expenses that you can expenditure. And funding opportunity within the university is yes possible, and the description of the complete program and the website of college is in this page. Then requirements and registration, the main thing. In order to get into this particular course, what are the requirements that you need to fulfill? First thing is, a successful application for GP study program includes the following: bachelor engineering degree or equivalent, excellent grade, English proficiency, at least 1 year of professional experience. Because of this particular point, 2 things will be gone. One, you have to have a degree completed, so you cannot apply when you are still studying. So pursuing guys cannot apply, and you need to have a 1 year experience. So internship doesn't count also, because internship, yeah, if you count as 6 months, another 6 months you have to give. Maybe 2 internship, I don't know, maybe if you have 2 internship, then you can put. But 1 year of professional experience means usually you have to be having at least a professional experience of 1 or 2 years. That would be good. Then German knowledge is advantageous, but it is not a requirement. If you have German done, then it is good, because German language skills are an advantage but not essential as they are. Then if you are a citizen of nation where English is the primary language, then you don't need to submit the English certificate. But if not, then you need to do a German B2, which will be Cambridge IELTS 6.5 and above. Application deadline, as we already told, the winter semester is 31st March, and we apply in their application page. Submit the application to GPE online system and your application will be submitted. But yeah, this you don't need to worry. I will show you in the next application upcoming videos in 2 parts on how to apply for this particular course. Then services, possibility of part-time job and full-time job always there in the partner companies. At first, after you get a student visa, you can either start or work as 140 full days or 280 half days. In that, you can either work as technical and non-technical jobs. In technical, you can work in any of the heavy jobs, work student, thesis, internship, etc., research assistant. But if you don't get any technical jobs, then in non-technical jobs, you can also work in lager or any of the restaurants or other things in order to take care of yourself in financially. Then accommodation, there will be always student and work Berlin. You have to and you will be you have to apply in student and work Berlin for the betterment for you, because you will save much more. If you live in outside, then it will be so much costly. So here student accommodation will be vary from 350 to 600 euros, which will be usually fine to bear when you are a student. But this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in episode number 21, Global Production Engineering, Technical University of Berlin. See you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.